Meet Jonas, a ride technician here at Fantasiana in Austria. We spent the day with him and got an inside look at Austria's best theme park. We also put Jonas in the hot seat and asked him some of the most important questions.
Alright, we're here with our good friend Jonas, who is a ride tech here and a ride manager. And right, so we're going to start with a hard one. What would you rather have? Voltron or Helios?
Wow, that's a very difficult question.
Sorry guys, how do you pronounce this village name? How do you pronounce it? Strabwelchen? Yeah?
Before we hear from Jonas, let's take a ride on Helios while the sun's still shining.
So, the sun is out, now it's time to go on one of my favourite roller coasters, Helios, the God of the Sun. Oh, you're higher than me. So, you'll think my home park is Fort Park, that Hyperion would be in my top 5 or even my top 10 roller coasters, but no, it's nowhere near. Helios is definitely better than Hyperion. It's got better theming. Better elements.
There's so many cool things about Helios, like look at the train design.
There's even onboard audio. There's also really nice scenery, especially here in the beautiful Mediterranean themed area, Sun Bay.
Also, it's got a cool water fountain show. And have a look at that.
It's gone.
And Helios has a really fast lift hill.
And have a look at this outside bank curve. Whoa. Even though it's a small coaster, it really does have a big impact. And this is why it's in my top 5 roller coasters in the world.
This is better. Don't hate me, but yeah, Helios. You see it? Helios is better than Hyperion. Boom. Roasted.
Wait, where's Kiara gone? Oh wait, there she is. Hello. All we gotta do now is find Jonas. Oh, there he is.
Alright, we're here with our good friend Jonas, who is a ride tech here and a ride manager, and we're going to ask a few questions. So, first of all, how long have you been working here for?
I'm working here since 2020, so 6 years now.
Quite a long time. And, right, so we're going to start with a hard one. What would you rather have? Voltron or Helios?
Wow, that's a very difficult question.
Okay.
So wait, if you didn't know, Helios stands on the site of the former Voltron, a coaster that gained a reputation among coaster enthusiasts for its powerful airtime and surprising intense ride experience. And one of the main reasons why they did replace Voltron, it was just getting too expensive to run, because where it was so intense they just had to keep replacing the wheels. But I mean, Helios is a good replacement. Just look at that overbank turn. RIP Voltron. Back to Q&A.
But I think I prefer Helios.
Okay, cool. Alright. Roller coasters, what is your favourite roller coaster? Of course, we already know, but for the viewers.
Yeah, I would say Helios, but in general, my favorite roller coaster is Ride to Happiness.
And your second?
I think Voltron, yeah.
Third?
Zadra. Zadra in Energylandia.
Okay. And fourth,
We need that.
Tartarus.
No. No, what should I say?
Bit of a tricky one, eh?
Yeah, it's a tricky one. What should I say? I would say Hyperion in Energylandia.
Okay.
I really like it, yeah.
Right, fifth one, last one for
Last one.
Yeah, okay.
I would say Conda in Walibi, Belgium.
Oh, Conda, okay.
Yeah.
And if you could put any like ride manufacturer here, like any ride type for the next ride here, what would you put? Like, what would you choose? Like B&M or anything like that? What would you like?
Then I would definitely pick an Intamin triple launch coaster.
Triple launch. Oh, so like the Tartarus then?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. No RMC then. No, okay. And last one. What was the hardest thing like building Helios when you were doing it? What was the hardest thing like building it here?
The hardest thing was the cold temperatures,
Of course.
of course, and the hardest thing was the last part at the top of the lift. So
Top of the lift.
yeah, that was the last part. It was very difficult. It
Yeah.
takes us nearly 1 day.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, no. Thank you for asking, like, giving them answers. Thank you for obviously bringing us here and being a good friend. So yeah.
You're
No,
welcome.
thank you.
Of course.
Also, Fantasiana are celebrating their 30th anniversary and have put up some decorations, so it's really nice to see around the park.
What's going to happen?
Lassen wir es auf der Erde schneien.
Whoa! Grab it!
So now we have been on Helios many times, now it's for the other roller coaster here, and it's Fredolins Express, a surprising cool launch family coaster. And also last year we had the chance to look at the behind the scenes of this roller coaster.
Why are you reversing? Why are you going in reverse? You've got to go forwards. Yeah, you've got to press in drive. A fly just hit me in the face.
Also, you might have noticed that this ride is manufactured by Art Engineering, the same company who builds the Wild Swings.
We are seeing many wild swings being placed in many theme parks around the world. They're a really good addition to have around theme parks, and they're good for the whole family. However, Chiara isn't a fan. So I tried convincing her to come on, but no, she stayed on for Little Swing.
Well, you won't go on that ride, so you can go on this instead.
But when Jonas joined us, we managed to convince her to go on the Wild Swing.
Oh, you're fine. Just have your hands up.
My hands are getting sweaty.
Huh?
My hands are getting sweaty.
Sweaty? So it's not bad? Huh?
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Well done.
Also, Jonas shared an interesting fact about this ride. Every cycle can feel different depending on the weight distribution of the riders. As well, when I went on it this morning, I felt a lot more airtime compared to this evening. So luckily, Kiara didn't have too much airtime on this ride. Where is it? Right there. Elephant. And in Austrian, where is it?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Now it's time to go on what's probably the wettest log flume we've ever been on.
You okay in the back? Yep. At least we've got good weather for a water ride finally. Oh look, it's a chimp. Hello. Uh-oh, you're gonna get wet first. Oh no. Oh no. Bye bye, chimp. You okay? Yeah. Yep. Just a light sprinkle. Oh, look, giraffes. An elephant. Oh. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's not even the splash, it's at the end. Oh.
It was a splash, the splash came off the edge of the mist.
Oh no. At least we don't have to buy a drink now. At least our top half's kind of not
Mine's
wet.
not.
Oh. Quickly go before we get splash zone.
Even though this park is on the smaller side, it has loads of different themed lands.
Diners. That's a free show. Got expansion for an RMC over there. Helios.
I don't like it.
Go get Helios.
It's not a drop tower, is it?
No, it's just just a tower, no drop.
You're lying.
No, it's just a tower before walk. No drop. It's a observatory tower. Observatory tower. Yeah, that's it. Let's go on that. Ooh. I can't even see in it. Wow. Yeah, it's like Disneyland Paris. What the hell? Wow. Didn't know that'd be it. Uh-oh, you've woken him up.
Er muss den Turm des Glaubens auf seinen Schlachtpost durchhalten.
And of course we had to have a big pretzel here at the theme park.
Pretzel! Nice. Yeah.
But for dinner, Jonas kindly took us to an authentic Austrian restaurant where we could finally have schnitzels.
Very Austrian.
One, two, three, four.
We do love this park. Even though it's a smaller theme park, it's packed with unique rides and attractions. It even features a charming storybook walkthrough. Kind of like something you see at Efteling. It just adds that extra magic for the whole family.
Go say it.
Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Then you gotta shout it.
No, you do it.
No, you gotta shout it. I haven't got a loud voice.
Yes, you do.
Rapunzel, let down your hair. See, look. It's like your hair. Yeah, I know. Where's the wolf?
Guten Tag, Rotkäppchen.
Schönen guten Tag, Herr Wolf.
Wohin so früh, Rotkäppchen?
Zur Großmutter will ich gehen.
It's gonna poo at the other people. What? Oh no, it's gonna, yeah, oh. Instead of pooing, it's gonna vomit.
This is the weirdest ghost train we've been on.
Ahoi! Ich bin Sindbad.
I'm going up. Oh, look at him. You know, it's like this. Yeah. The Minotaur. Ghost train, isn't it? Favourite spiders.
We've had an amazing day at Fantasiana. A huge thank you to Jonas and everyone at the park for making us feel so welcome. It was fantastic to get back on Helios and spend time exploring the park. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Auf Wiedersehen.